Have you ever wondered what the most luxurious dining experiences in the world are like? Let's embark on a narrative journey through the most extravagant and posh dining experiences on Earth. Imagine stepping into the opulent dining room of Sublimotion, located in the heart of Ibiza. This isn't just a meal, it's a multi-sensory experience. The ambiance is enchanting, with a blend of cutting-edge technology and artistry that creates an immersive dining environment. Each course is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted by Michelin-starred chef Paco Roncero. From the molecular gastronomy techniques to the synchronized light projections, the dining experience at Sublimotion is truly one of a kind. Now picture yourself at the legendary Kicho Arashiyama in Kyoto, Japan. This restaurant, helmed by chef Kunio Tokuoka, is a testament to the art of traditional kaiseki dining. The ambiance here is serene, with a hint of timeless elegance. Each dish, from the appetizers to the desserts, is a symphony of flavors that showcases the best of seasonal Japanese ingredients. Our next stop is the iconic Le Meurice Alain Ducasse in Paris. The dining room, inspired by the Salon de la Paix at the Château de Versailles, is a celebration of French elegance and sophistication. Here, the menu is a tribute to traditional French gastronomy, elevated to new heights by the genius of chef Alain Ducasse. The experience is nothing short of royal, with every bite transporting you to a realm of culinary delight. Finally, imagine dining beneath the sparkling chandeliers of the Plaza Athénée, also in Paris. The ambiance is breathtaking, a perfect blend of contemporary chic and timeless elegance. The menu, curated by chef Alain Ducasse, is an ode to nature, with a focus on fish, grains, and vegetables. The dishes served on silver platters are a feast for both the eyes and the palate. In summary, the world's most luxurious dining experiences are not just about the food. They're about the ambiance, the service, and the overall experience. They're about stepping into a different world, where every detail is meticulously crafted to create a memorable experience. Whether it's the multisensory extravaganza of Sublimotion, the traditional elegance of Kicho Arashiyama, the royal grandeur of Le Meurice Alain Ducasse, or the contemporary chic of the Plaza Athénée, each dining experience is unique and unforgettable. These are not just meals, they're journeys that take you through a world of flavors, textures, and emotions. They're a testament to the creativity and passion of the world's best chefs, and above all, they're a celebration of the art of fine dining. So the next time you're planning a special meal, remember, the world's most luxurious dining experiences are waiting for you.